You know I like me some fire, right? Well, this video we're going to take a quick look at the Zippo Typhoon Match Kit. That's what's coming up next here on Survival on Purpose. Welcome back to Survival on Purpose, your home for trustworthy information and gear reviews related to camping, survival, and general preparedness for regular folks. My name's Brian. Thanks for joining me. So, as I said, you know I like me some fire. I especially like ways to make fire, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Zippo Typhoon Match Kit. It's got some really cool Typhoon matches. We're going to check those out. We're going to take a look at the kit and get to doing some of that fire stuff right after this word from one of our sponsors. This video is brought to you by the folks at Patriot Supply, where for a limited time you can get a great deal on their 2 or 4 week emergency food kits at preparewithbrian.com. These kits feature delicious 100% USA grown and packed food with a 25-year shelf life. As you can imagine, the demand for these kits is extremely high right now, but Patriot Supply is still honoring the discounted price and filling all orders on a first-come, first-served basis. To secure your place in line, go to preparewithbrian.com. Okay, we're back, so with no more rambling, let's get down to the old stump top and get to doing some of that match stuff. Okay, here is the Zippo Typhoon Match Kit. And let's take a quick look at the kit itself and then we'll do some testing. So first of all, see it's got a red end here and it holds up to 15 Typhoon matches. I've already played with these a little bit, so there's like 13 in here now. But see, these matches, by the way, are 4 inches long. They've got this water resistant coating on them, and they've got some pretty cool stuff. So they're supposed to burn for like 30 seconds. So we'll put those back in here. This thing has a rubber seal on the cap cover here, and then a little padding here just to keep the matches from getting, I guess if they get shook around, they don't crunch the heads up. Then you look on the back side here, bottom, there's a rubber snap-on cap with a striker plate, because these are not strike anywhere matches, and a couple of other little stick-on striker replaceable plates in there also in a Ziploc baggie kind of stuck in there. So you've got some extra ones there too. Also has a little lanyard hole here, so that's the case. This case is water resistant. I don't know how waterproof it is, but I happen to have some water. We're going to check that out. So what I thought we'd do is we'll check the case out first, open it up, and we'll check the matches out, and we'll wrap this thing up. Okay, so we got some water here, so let's see what happens. Okay, as you notice, by the way, it floats, which is really cool. If you have a lanyard on here, if you're boating or whatever, you can tie that onto your canoe, and you won't lose your way to make a fire. So there's that. So let's just take it out, shake it off, have a look at the matches and see if they might, oh, get it back there where you can see it. See if they look pretty dry in there to me. They're shiny, but I think that's the coating on them. So I'm going to take one of these out. Let's take a look at the striker, see if it's dry in there. Okay, looks pretty dry. Next, here's a match. Let's just get her all wet. See how well it works like that. Okay, so shake it off. Let me blow it off. Okay, now let's take the striker here, open that up, and let's see what happens. There, she's burning. Now, it says it burns for 30 seconds. I just want to try something. Let's look at that. It goes back up again. That's pretty stinking cool, isn't it? Can you see that thing is burning? Can you see it? It's burning, right? Still see it. Okay, that was pretty impressive, I have to say. Not only the fact that the case is waterproof, that the matches were wet beforehand, but the fact that you can dip them in the water while they're burning, pull them out and shake them off, and they keep burning. Even try to blow it out. And as long as this orange is still burning, it's pretty windproof. But I thought I'd try one more. I'm going to just blow on this one while it's burning and see what happens. So, pretty impressive, I gotta say. There you go. That's the Zippo Typhoon Match Kit. I didn't mention, by the way, the dimensions of this thing. It's about 4.8 inches long by about 1.9 inches in diameter, and it weighs about 4 ounces when it's full of matches. This exact kit with 15 matches is available on Amazon for about $12.95. You can get a replacement set of just the matches with 30 matches for $9.95. So either one's a really cool deal. These matches are pretty amazing, and the kit itself is a really handy way to carry them. So as usual, there will be a link to these in the video description below. I hope this has been helpful. As always, thanks for watching Survival on Purpose. I put out a brand new video every Friday and every Saturday, sometimes random videos throughout the week. If you want to make sure you don't miss a single one, I invite you to subscribe to my weekly email newsletter at survivalonpurpose.com/subscribe. Every week I'll send you an email with the links to the previous week's videos and any other cool information, offers, or deals I think you might be interested in. Plus, throughout the year, we'll be doing some subscriber-only stuff. So if you want to take advantage of that, be sure and go to survivalonpurpose.com/subscribe. I really appreciate your support. Once again, my name's Brian. You're watching Survival on Purpose. Remember, survival's not an accident, so be prepared. I'll see you next time.